Okay, we're here at the future site of the Bangladesh Cultural Garden here in Cleveland on a sunny but very snowy and cold day in February. And it's a special day in Bangladesh that we're celebrating today. And I'm going to ask Tariq, tell us about International Language Day first.
Hello everyone, this is going to, it's a celebration of International Mother Language Day, which is in Bangladesh. We fought for our mother tongue. And that is a piece of replica that what we have in Bangladesh. So this is the short history behind it, and in future we are going to have a bigger version of it, and we'll celebrate every year International Mother Language Day here in Cleveland.
Now the language is sixth most popular in the world or something, isn't it? Tell us about
that is correct.
I don't think people know that.
No, and that is why we need to let the people know what it's all about.
So when you have this site here, what does it mean to the community to have this site in this great location here?
It means a lot. Diversity, the meaning, the power of language. And Bengali is one of the language that uniquely distinguish Bengali people, and we speak Bengali almost 300 some million people in Bangladesh and also part of India. So people in America, Cleveland and Northeast Ohio, they will be the part of the diversity. We will, we will have some kind of diversity going to bring here in Cleveland and let the people know the importance of mother language.
And we're here at a great location, a little down from the greenhouse here in Cleveland, across from the Albanian Garden, just coming up from MLK Boulevard, and we're going to see that very distinctive. Everyone knows the flag of Bangladesh. Is that the sun, or what does that red circle represent?
It is the sun.
It is the green, lush land of Bangladesh.
Bangladesh has a very big farmland and river, so green represent the
the land.
land.
The green land.
So today we have Tariq, you're a leader of the community. We have
Taslima moment.
See, behind we have the new executive director of the Cleveland Cultural Gardens, Tom Turkinley. Here we have
Zahidul Wahab.
Zaidul.
Julian Gomes.
Julian.
I'm Syed Alam.
And Chai, everyone knows Chai from the city of Cleveland. She's the Asian liaison.
Yes.
Chai, do you want to say a few words? Because
Yes,
you really brought
please.
this community together.
Yes, it is day like this that I cannot begin to tell you how wonderful it is to be the Asian liaison. Because at the end of the day, America is a nation of immigrants. Contrary to belief, Asian are the fastest growing group of people all across this nation. And I want to remind everybody, we are America. We are American because we are the modern day pioneer. We're no different than the first colonists that came here starting from scratch. We are bringing our history, our culture, our language. That's what makes America great, because we're the only nation in the world that have people from all over the world. Every ethnicity, every nation have somebody living here and be part of America. So again, thank you. I am so happy to be here. At the end of the day, remember, we're one people, one city. We're Cleveland and we're Americans. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tom, would you like to, as new executive director at Cleveland Cultural Gardens?
Well, on behalf of the Cultural Gardens Board and all its members, I'd like to welcome the Bangladesh community to our family.
Thank you so much.
Family of over 45 different gardens, either mostly established or a lot of new ones. And it's a great honor to include new communities. That's really reflective of, the immigration story to Cleveland and Northeast Ohio. It's a 109-year-old organization. Starting with a lot of European gardens and things, but as we move on to this next century of the gardens, we're glad to welcome new communities that really truly exhibit the culture of the society as a whole in Northeast Ohio. And we are eager to see your plans come to fruition and participate in our events. So welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So Tariq, I know people can follow the progress at the Cleveland Cultural Gardens Federation website, but is there a place they can get more information of follow your progress, learn about the Bangladesh community here?
Sure. We have a Facebook group which called Friends of Bangladesh Garden, and I'm working on a garden website. So in future we'll share the website, and if you have anything you can reach out to me. I will share all the updates.
Great.
We also have the nova.usa.org that's also representative of the community.
And could we get some final greeting or welcome or something in Bengali? Happy International Mother's Language Day or something, or
21 February, right?
Yeah.
all right, wait.
Mohan 21 February.
Wait. Okay,
সবাই-
get in tighter a little. And I know Tom, you'll be speaking it too.
I'll just smile in the back.
Okay, সবাইকে 21 ফেব্রুয়ারির শুভেচ্ছা। ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে। বেস্ট উইশেস ফর এভরিওয়ান। আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তের আগানো 21 ফেব্রুয়ারি আমি কি ভুলতে পারি?
Terrific. That's great.